In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Monday.com for client onboarding. To begin, open Monday.com and go to your client management board. In this workspace, you will be working inside the area labeled Client Management, where client records are organized so you can track progress from first contact all the way through completion. Once you are on the board, click on Client Management to make sure you are in the correct view and looking at the right set of items. If you see Client Management listed again as a selectable option, click it once more to confirm you are focused on the correct section of the board. Next, click on the highlighted area in the board. This is where you will interact with the fields that help define and filter each client record. Think of these fields as the key details that keep onboarding consistent across your team. They help you quickly understand who owns the relationship, when the record was created, and what kind of client or request is being managed. Now, click on Recruiter. This field is used to identify the person responsible for managing the client relationship or the onboarding process. Keeping this accurate is important because it improves accountability and makes it easy for your team to know who to contact internally. After that, click on Date Added. This captures when the client was entered into the system. Using this date consistently helps you track timelines, measure onboarding speed, and sort clients by recency when you need to prioritize follow-ups. Then click on Role. This is where you classify what type of role or category the client is associated with. Clear role labeling helps reporting and keeps similar clients grouped together for easier management. Next, click on Lead. This selection places the client in the lead stage, which is useful when they are still in an early or pre-onboarding phase. From there, click on Onboarding to move the client into the onboarding stage. This is the stage you will use when the client is actively being set up, documents are being collected, or initial requirements are being confirmed. Finally, click on Active to indicate the client is fully underway and engaged in the process. When everything has been completed, click on Done to mark the onboarding as finished. This keeps your board clean, helps your team focus on what is still in progress, and creates a reliable history of completed work that covers everything you need to know.